So hey there, I'm going to do my makeup. The way I do my makeup all the time is I just go with the flow. So I basically just come up with any look that comes to my head. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. Now I'm gonna set it. So to start off this look, I'm gonna use this palette right here. I bought it from Hush, and I'm gonna use this pigmented, right? And it was like, to be honest, I don't remember. I think it was like $8, but yeah. I'm just gonna apply the color first, and then I'm gonna take another blending brush and then just start blending it. With the next palette right here, on a smaller blending brush, you put it in the outer corner and the inner corner. I think I'm gonna do another halo eye today because halo eyes are like my favorite. And I'm gonna put a little bit right here too. And then with this brush, I'm gonna use the same like transition shade. And I'm gonna start like making it a little bit higher because I don't have a lot of lid space to work with. Don't roast me for the faces that I'm making, okay? And now I'm going to take the same palette over again with like the lightest bit of brown. I'm gonna put that light right here. Do the same thing for the inner corner. For the middle, right now I'm just adding it with my finger so it could be a little bit more pigmented. I blend the edges, apply it. Like, do you see that? It gives like so much pretty reflex on it. This is what happens when I go with the flow. Literally each and every single time. I'm gonna add liner here. I'm going to put lashes on and finish my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. First, priming with my dual moisturizer. Then using my NYX pore filler to fill in my pores. I'm going to spray my face with the Mari Rescue Water. Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in the shade 225. For concealer, I'm using Fit Me Concealer in Sand Sable 20. Using my Airspun powder to set my under eyes. Using my Hoola bronzer to bronze the skin. using this Wet n Wild blush in pearlescent pink. And for highlight, I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Fuego highlighter. So this is a look I ended up with. I actually like it. You know, it's still spring appropriate. If spring is still even a thing, right? But this is the end of the video. Feel free to comment down below anything you want, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.